Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what gets you banned on Roblox. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to get banned on Roblox, but basically sometimes if they do not report you for using bad language or you're just being mean to them, you'll still be able to play the game. But for instance, they did report you, you will get like a 1 day notice. It is actually pretty difficult to get like super banned like forever. Maybe if you use like actual cheats and stuff, you will get banned. So please do not do that. It just ruins the game for everybody. But on the chat, you can like report people here. So on the like flag icon, you can report the person. So experience or person, type of abuse, text chat, or avatar. You can also select which person and then reason for abuse. And then you're just going to type in why, and then you can submit it. And then if Roblox reviewed it as like something bad, they will ban them for, well, they might give them like a warning for a day and then pause the account for 1 day or two, depends. But they won't get banned straight away. But again, if maybe you are a cheater or you use like bugs, you could get banned like for life. So just keep that in mind. I suggest you to just play the game as is. Can I choose that now? But that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Please do not do anything bad on Roblox. Like, this is a safe space. Not really, but there's just a lot of games here, like a lot of fun games, and you don't have to ruin it for everybody. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.